caught in my own game, the day my boyfriends met. Hi Kuya Pao, alam mo yung mga panahong parang laro lang ang lahat, well, I found myself in that kind of phase, one where life seemed like an endless game, and I was just rolling the dice, letting things happen as they might. That was me, just a few months ago, tangled in a web of relationships that I thought were nothing but casual flings. Sa sobrang dami kong iniisip at ginagawa, wala na akong panahon para seryosohin ang mga bagay-bagay, lalo na sa pag-ibig. It all started nung makilala ko si Mike. He was charming, smart, and knew how to make me laugh. Akala ko noon, maybe he was the one. But then, pumasok si Jay sa eksena, an adventurous guy who made me feel alive. We would go hiking, try new restaurants, and just live in the moment. Alam mo yung feeling na every date is an adventure? Yun si Jay. So, si Mike and Jay were both there, and somehow, I didn't feel guilty about it.